Hey everybody. So we just wrapped up week 7. Our assignments were due yesterday, Thursday, the 5th of December. Next week is week 8. This is our last week of the semester as well. As you can see, we've got a couple discussion assignments, a final exam, and the final draft of Essay 4 due. Um, while you're working on these assignments, please also take a look at your grades and see if you're missing any other assignments, because week 8, this is going to be the last week to turn in any missing assignments as well. After Thursday of week 8, which is the 12th of December, I can't accept any other assignments. So you'll want to get all those things turned in, anything that might be missing. Okay. If you have any questions for me, feel free to send me an email. You can also come visit me. I'll be hosting my office hours during the normal times next week, Mondays and Wednesdays from 1:25 to 2:25. All right, have a great weekend, everyone. Happy writing.